the core of this
Yes.
is your yes and no answer. And you're getting your yes and no answer from the sensor pad. So what you have to do is you have to train yourself mechanically first before you ever start testing.
Yeah.
And do pluses and minuses. So plus minus, plus minus, minus minus, plus plus. Okay, so say if we're doing this here, the plus is a blip. So it's a crisp blip, like that. And then the minus is anything that's not a plus is a minus. So if it's not saying yes, it's saying no all the way. So we call that a challenge. So you're asking a question, you're challenging the sensor. So the challenge would be like this. Yeah, you'll notice my hand is relaxed, and I'm bringing the level right up with pressure, just below the point where it'll blip. If I put in any more pressure, it'll blip. So I'm up there near the top. So we do 6 pulses for each negative. So we'll start here again. So that'll be a plus. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus. See what I mean? And then to take that a step further, we have this training program. So you open the training program and start it. Now the idea of this is very simple. You blip as it passes the midline. Now the idea of it is to train your brain and your central nervous system, your hand and so on, in doing it, so that it's automatic and you don't have to think about it. So I'm going to make that a bit slower now. Okay. All right. Now 1 sec. So. So sometimes I miss.
And do like 2-3 hours a day?
It literally does take hours.
Yeah, hours.
You know, if you want to do it properly, it must be automatic. The same way as you drive a car.
Oh, yeah.
You know, when you're driving a car, your mind is miles away, and you arrive home after 2 hours drive, and you don't remember any of the drive.
But that takes usually a good month or 2 or 3.
It does. That's the thing. Yeah. Okay. So if we start. It is again. But you see, this challenge, where it's less than a plus, that's your holding pattern. It's like a plane that's going around in a circle. It's a holding pattern. And when you start to test a person in terms of finding out the vitality, for example, now this is the vitality scale. You start at the top there at 25. You're not going to find anyone over the 20. The 20 there is it's the doorstep, more or less.